dear students, this is plus 1 accounts class. Yesterday we have started the chapter trial balance. Okay, and this is the second video lecture of the trial balance. That chapter name in your book is trial balance and error. So till half yearly we will discuss about only trial balance. Okay, error only theory question. Okay, that I will tell you later. Okay, so trial balance, how we will prepare the trial balance. In last video lecture part 1 we have discussed about the performa of trial balance. So this is a performa of trial balance. That three things you should keep in mind while preparing the trial balance. That closing stock will not be shown in the trial balance. Closing stock आपने show नहीं करना. Fine. And second thing that you have to keep in mind, that if total of debit balances and credit balance column is not equal, and capital is not given in question. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में कैपिटल अकाउंट का बैलेंस नहीं दिया हुआ है, then difference of debit and credit balance will be treated as capital, because without capital no business can be possible. So if capital account balance is not given in the question, then difference of debit balance and credit balance will be treated as capital. इसको हम capital मानेंगे. Okay? Closing stock will not be shown in the trial balance, and if capital is not given in the question, then capital is equal to difference of debit balance and credit balance total. Okay? And third thing that you will keep in mind, that if capital is given, even then total of debit and credit balance is not equal, then what is the meaning of this? It means there must be an error in our accounts that we have prepared, whether it's in journal, ledger, in totaling, anywhere error can be. Okay, so if capital is given, then total should be equal. Even then total of debit and credit balance is not equal, then we will find out the error. Till then, जब तक error नहीं मिल जाती, till then difference will be put in suspense account. One new account we will open for the difference suspense account. Which column total is less, where we will write the suspense account balance. So total equal कर लेते हैं हम एक बार. Okay, so total equal करने के लिए we will open one new account, suspense account, and difference we will put in the suspense account, then total will be equal. Okay, so you have to, for full chapter, 4 things are there, that learn balances of every account, whether it's debit or credit. सबसे पहले आपको ये learn करना है. Then closing stock will not be shown. If capital is not given in the question, then capital will be treated as difference of debit balance total and credit balance total. And if capital is given to you, even then difference is not equal, then difference we will put in the suspense account. Okay, so these 4 things only that are sufficient for you to do the question of numerical question of trial balance. Okay, so let's start. Question. Open your book. And your totaling should be strong, okay, and fast. This is the only work of accountant, that do the calculations fast and correct without any mistake. Okay, so fourth question, fourth illustration we will solve in your book, chapter trial balance. That balances are given to us, that purchases are 18,20,000, purchases as debit balance 18,20,000 we will write in the debit side. Date is given to 31st March 2017. Okay, and second balance is stock on 1st April 2016. So it's opening stock that we will write. Okay, it's on 1st April 2016. That opening stock is 3,50,000. It also has debit balance. Okay, and sales has 40 lakh. Sales has credit balance. We will write in the credit balance column. After that, sundry expense 15,000. Sundry expense, all the expense, sundry means छोटे expense. We will not open separate account for small expenses. We will put that all expenses in sundry expense. Okay, all the expenses, debit balance in debit side we will write. Leasehold premises 5 lakh. Its assets. So all the assets has debit balance. What is a leasehold premises? Leasehold premises, that we have kept that premises not purchased. We haven't purchased that premises, मतलब बिल्डिंग हमने परचेज नहीं की है, ठीक है, हमने उसको 10 years के लिए लीज पर ले ली है यूज करने के लिए. Okay, for 10 years we have paid 5 lakh. So these are the premises. This premises is our assets for the 10 years. Okay, so this is the leasehold premises. Then freehold premises 18 lakh, that we have purchased freehold premises. That is also assets 18 lakh. Then return inward 25,000. It's a return inward. Okay, return inward is sales return. I have told you in the list of debit and credit balance. Return inward is sales return, and sales return has debit balance. Sale credit balance and sales return debit balance, and amount is 25,000. Okay, and next is furniture and features 2,90,000. These are also assets, and assets has debit balance. After furniture and features, equipments 8 lakh. Equipments जो भी हमारे पास कंप्यूटर वगैरह है, टाइपराइटर, कंप्यूटर, these are our equipments. Okay, office equipments that are of 8 lakh. These are also assets. Assets means that we are using in the business. Okay, and repair to equipment, that is expense. And expense also has debit balance, so it will be written in the debit. How much is there? 5,000. Now depreciation. Depreciation means that when we use any assets, then value of that assets will be decreased. ओके, कोई भी एसेट्स आप यूज करते हो घर पे तो धीरे धीरे उसकी वैल्यू कम होती है. दैट इज नोन एज डेप्रिसिएशन. ओके, जितनी उसकी वैल्यू कम है. सो दीज आर ऑल्सो एक्सपेंस ऑफ बिजनेस 80,000. दिस ऑल्सो हैव डेबिट बैलेंस 80,000. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज प्रोप्राइटर विड्रॉल. प्रोप्राइटर विड्रॉल मीन्स ड्रॉइंग, प्रोप्राइटर ने जो विड्रॉ किया है दैट इज ड्रॉइंग that of 60,000 and drawing also have debit balance. Sundry debtor, sundry debtor, sundry मतलब सारे total debtors का इकट्ठा है, that is of 3,60,000 it also have debit balance. Debtors are assets, assets have debit balance. Creditor, sundry creditor, these are a liability, we have to pay money to these persons. So creditors of rupees 1,20,000. All the liabilities have credit balance. Then bedders 10,000. Bedders, these are loss. जो money हमारी डूब जाती है, that debtor doesn't pay that our money, that is known as bedders. So it's our loss, and all the losses and expense has debit balance. Okay. The next is investment at the rate of 10%. 10% मतलब कि we are receiving interest on that investment 10%. So investment अगर हमने कहीं की हुई है that are our assets, we can sell that investment and can receive the money. Okay, so these are 2 lakh. All the assets have debit balance, and interest on investment, it's our income. All the income has credit balance. Then long term borrowing, borrowing मतलब उधार ली हुई मनी long time के लिए, these are our liability, and all the liabilities has credit balance. Amount is 6 lakh. Loan from UTI bank, loan from UTI बैंक से हमने लोन लिया हुआ है तो वापस करना है. So it's a liability. In liability has credit balance. Amount is 8 lakh. Next is interest on loan 65,000. Interest on loan. These are expense. We will write in the debit side 65,000. Then petty cash account 400. Petty cash account का बैलेंस जो हमारे पास पड़ा है that is of 400. पेटी कैश हमने पेटी कैश बुक की थी तो मंथ के एंड में जो बैलेंस बच जाता है, ओके, तो हमारे पास मनी पड़ी है that is 400. Yes is not here, so I have written here. Next is balance at bank. If nothing balance at bank, nothing is given, it's debit or credit, then it has debit balance. So we will write in the debit. Bank overdraft, if it is given that bank overdraft, then it has credit balance. Okay. Amount is 34,600. Fine. Now closing stock is given, that we will leave, we will not write in the trial balance. Okay. See, capital account balance is not given to you. Okay. So capital account balance we will write by doing the total of debit and credit. That will be treated as capital. It means balancing figure. Difference को हम accounting language में बोलते हैं balancing figure. Okay. So difference total will be not equal. If you will do total of both these sides, then it will not be equal. The difference it will come by 8,75,000. Credit balance का total जो है वो कम होगा by 8,75,000 से. So that 8,75,000 we will put in the capital account. Okay. After that you will write total and do the total of these both sides. Okay. Total is here 64,15,000 and this side total is also 64,15,000. Okay. Then put 2 lines after total. Fine. So this is our trial balance. Only we have kept 2 things in mind. जब तक हम एरर ढूंढते हैं तब तक वी विल पुट दैट डिफरेंस इन सस्पेंस अकाउंट। जैसे जैसे हमें एरर मिलती जाएंगी देन वी विल क्लोज दिस सस्पेंस अकाउंट। फाइन। सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन 4th एग्जाम्पल ऑफ योर बुक ट्रायल बैलेंस। Now we will do one more question of this chapter. Yes students, now we will solve the 7th example of your book. Open your book, 7th example. The following is a trial balance prepared by an inexperienced accountant. एक ऐसे accountant ने बनाया जिसको experience नहीं था. He doesn't know about the which account has debit balance and which account has credit balance. Maybe he is not from the commerce stream, है ना? But you will be the best accountant. Okay? So redraft it in a correct form. हमें ट्रायल बैलेंस दोबारा बनाना है उसे करेक्ट करके. Okay? So ट्रायल बैलेंस for the year ending. जब ट्रायल बैलेंस जो हमें दिया हुआ in which that is in trial balance for the year ending. One thing keep in mind that trial balance is made on a last date, on a particular date. It will tell that on that date what are the balances of accounts. Okay, so we will write not for the year ending. Okay, पूरे साल का रिकॉर्ड नहीं रखते हैं हम, सिर्फ उस दिन का रिकॉर्ड रखते हैं, उस दिन पे किस अकाउंट का क्या बैलेंस है. So we will write here as on 31st March 2017. Okay, now in ledger folio column is not there, then make the ledger folio column. उसने कॉलम बनाया ही नहीं. देन राइट द अकाउंट नेम, मैंने लिख दिए हैं. ओके, फर्स्टली यू विल राइट ऑल द अकाउंट्स नेम दैट आर गिवन टू यू. ओके, उसके बाद आप अमाउंट देखते जाओ एंड राइट द डेबिट बैलेंस और इन द क्रेडिट बैलेंस. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सन्ड्री डेटर, इट हैज डेबिट बैलेंस, तो उसने सही लिखा है सन्ड्री डेटर डेबिट बैलेंस, इट्स करेक्ट. सेकेंड इज sundry creditor 9200, it's correct. credit balance ही होता है creditor का. opening stock 15600, that is also correct. opening stock also has debit balance. purchases 53500, purchases it's also correct. purchases का भी debit balance होता है. purchase return he has written in the debit column 2100, but purchase return has credit balance. It will be written in the credit balance column. Okay, one mistake we have find that he has written the purchase return balance in debit balance column, but it's wrong. Purchase return account has credit balance, so we will write this in the credit balance column. Okay, now cash in hand 11000, cash in hand it has debit balance, it's correct. machinery 40200, machinery is assets, it has debit balance, it's correct. goodwill he has written in the credit balance 10000, goodwill उसने credit side में लिखी है, but goodwill is a assets and all the assets has debit balance. second mistake. sales credit balance 86200, it's correct. sale का credit balance ही होता है, सही लिखा है. in sales return he has written in the credit side, but sales return has debit balance, so it will be written in the debit balance column. third mistake. now loan from Ram 20000, we have taken loan from Ram से हमने लोन लिया हुआ है, that is our liability, and all the liabilities has credit balance, so we will write this in credit side 20000. one thing keep in mind that लोन टू राम, अगर ये होता है कि हमने राम को लोन दिया हुआ है, लोन टू राम, सो इट्स आवर एसेट्स, देन वी विल राइट इन द डेबिट साइड, बट इट्स लोन फ्रॉम राम, वी हैव टेकन लोन फ्रॉम राम, so it's our liability, so we will write in the credit side. then next, interest from Ram loan, we are paying interest on Ram loan, that is our expense. Okay, so expense has debit balance 3000, it's okay. He has written also in the debit side. bill receivable is 6400, Bill receivable is our assets. So all the assets are debit balance. This is also wrong of the debt accountant. Now capital. Capital is okay. 57,000. Capital has credit balance. Credit balance ही होता है capital का. Next is life insurance premium. Life insurance premium is treated as a drawing. ये drawing होती है because life insurance premium is related to the owner personal expense. This is the insurance of the owner personal life. So it should be paid by the owner. If we are paying, if it is paid by the business, then it's called drawing, and drawing has debit balance. It's 5,000. He has also written in the debit side. Now carriage. Carriage is 600. Okay. Carriage is our expense. Debit balance. Advertisement are expense. It should be in debit balance. It also correct. Discount received. It's our income. It should be a credit balance. But he has written in the debit. Next mistake. Now investment. Investment is our assets and all the assets are debit balance. It's correct. Interest on investment is our income and all the income has credit balance. So this is the correct trial balance that we have prepared from that trial balance that is given to you in the question. After that, do the total of these both sides. It will not be equal. Equal इसका भी नहीं आया है, but equal हमारा भी नहीं आएगा. Okay, it means that there is another mistake in ledger or journal. Okay, so that we will put that difference of these both side debit balance and credit balance in suspense account. Because capital is given, okay, so we can't put the difference in capital account. So balancing figure we will put in the suspense account. That how much balance is there? Balance is 1,000. Debit side का जो total है, that is less than 1,000 from the total of credit balance. So that 1,000 we will put in the suspense account. Okay, after that total of both sides will be equal 1,76,800 and here also 1,76,800. Fine. So this is the correct trial balance that we have prepared from incorrect trial balance that is given to you in the question. Okay. So students, these are the questions related to trial balance that we have discussed in this video lecture. So now chapter is your complete. Okay, that only theory portion is left, that I will tell you that already I have told you on Monday in live classes. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.